Hey everyone, so I'm just coming out from the house and I'm heading towards the lake just to see how it is this morning. Hey everyone! Let's see, I don't know. It did rain the other day, so I might get a little muddy. Not sure if I'm gonna go down there or not. Maybe not. Ooh, there's quite a bit of mosquitoes. It's not too bad. Luckily they don't bite much. Or at all, seems, thank goodness. Ooh, dang. Let's see. It's not muddy. Yeah. See how amazing it is. I haven't walked the whole trail yet, but so far I've been to the lakefront. Hopefully there's pebbles on the ground so it doesn't get too muddy. Oh, ducky! I see ducks in the water. This is so awesome. This is going to be probably my target, to go out here every single day with an exception of the rain. Maybe check out the rain once just to see how it is when it's sprinkling. Obviously not when it's pouring. But yep, second time. This is so cool. I hope the camera was not too close when I turned it over. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see the duck in the water. Let's try to zoom in. Look at that ducky! I think that's a duck. Oh, the pretty water. Is someone fishing? There's a net. I think that's a net. Oh yeah, there's someone fishing. Up into. Let's see. Ducks! There's another one. Oh, I see someone across over there. Look at the water. The ducks are meeting. Meeting. Not meeting. Yet, I guess. Wow. Oh, they just passed by. So amazing. Look at a panoramic picture of this. There's no tadpoles. What? The water is slightly cold. Like, a little, just a little cold. Well, I hope that viewing this will send some healing, nurturing energy to you. And I'm grateful I can share this and definitely be here and live so close. Okay. Keep co-creating some awesomeness. See you guys in the next video.